Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to give you a weekly update of my $10,000 in 100 days challenge. And yes, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. But before we get started, I have a treat for you. So just stay tuned. I want to give a shout out to the beautiful Life of Cherry. She's part of the budgeting community and she has some funny videos. Yeah, it'll make you want to save some money. So check out her TikTok video that I'm going to insert right here, and I'll be back.
How may I help you? Hi, I'd like to make a withdrawal. How much? Excuse me, how much? $1,025.
I said $1.25. $1.25. That's it.
Okay, I'm back. So that video was so funny to me because that's how I was before I started budgeting. Years ago, I remember working at the nursing home. I had like $50 that was deducted from my paycheck, and it goes straight to the credit union. Baby, I was at the credit union that Monday morning. Got paid that Friday. Monday morning, I was getting my $50 out. So that's why that video was so funny to me. But shout out to Life of Cherry. Go check out her videos. Her videos are very entertaining. She's in New York. And yeah, I just love her videos. So shout out to you, Life of Cherry. She's doing good as far as the savings challenge. She's an entrepreneur. She had, you know, everybody pretty much in the budget community has an Etsy channel, an Etsy shop. She has an Etsy shop, and so she killing the game with the 52-week challenge. So check her out. So the shout out goes to Life of Cherry. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we had another slow week. So you know, Mrs Vee, I'm gonna give you the highs and the lows. And I still haven't cleaned out my storage building so I can sell some unwanted items. But we did make some progress. So some progress is better than no progress. So this week we saved, I'll put it up on the screen, and that is $116 of that is from my buffer account. We doing good as far as our buffer account. So we had like $189 left over. So I took $116 from that. And then the other $14 came from I sold an item on Mecari. And if you're not familiar with Mecari, it is an app that allows you to sell your unwanted items. You can sell it locally, or you can mail the items off. And check it out. I'll have a referral link in the description box. I think they'll give you so many dollars off your first order, so you can buy and sell, of course. So I sold some items on there, and I also made an Etsy sale, so that made up for the other $14 that contributed to the $130 that I saved this week. So we were already one envelope ahead. So today we'll mark the, what day? Let me see. Hold on. So this will be my 35th day of this challenge, and the $130 I'll be able to mark off, I think, 4 envelopes. You remember last week we are already 1 envelope ahead, so we're supposed to do 7 envelopes a week since I don't actually do them daily. So that will put us at 5 envelopes for today, and then we'll still be 2 envelopes behind, but we will be able to catch up. I'm optimistic that we're gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. It's just gonna be some highs and lows. Of course, if you're trying to save $10,000, you're gonna have some highs and lows. I expect to get a bonus the end of this month, and I should be using that, and I expect to finally get to my storage building to sell some unwanted items. So let's go ahead and mark off these envelopes. So we have $130. I'm still trying to figure out this Capital One 360 high yield savings account. I have it set up. I still hadn't put the money in there, but trust me, I have the money. So that's $130. So we're gonna mark off envelope number 14, which is $28. So we're gonna subtract 28. Let me get my, I guess I'll use this marker. I'm gonna mark that one off, and I'll go back with a larger marker after the video. Then we have $102. Then we're gonna mark off envelope number 15 that has $30 in it. That knocks us down to $72. Then we're going to mark off envelope number 16, and it has $32. Then we have $40 left, so you find I'm going to find the envelope that has 40 in it, and this envelope number 20, and that will give us $0. So now you see why I started off with the big numbers, because when you have these slow weeks, you want to save some of your smaller envelopes for then. So yeah, so now we have we should have we're supposed to have 35 envelopes, but I'm sure we have 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we're supposed to have 35 envelopes. So with 2 envelopes behind, that's fine, because we stayed ahead the first 2 weeks. So we will catch up. And so I'll feel much better once I maybe fill this row up and this row with the higher numbers. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on pressing forward and try to get this. Well, I ain't gonna try to get, I am going to get this $10,000. You gotta speak these things into existence. So reason why I had $189 left in my buffer, I didn't want to take the entire thing out because we getting ready to go on vacation. We may need it. So I just went ahead and just pulled 116 because I wanted to just make sure we at least got to 3,000. So you remember we had 2,884. I went ahead and put 2,900. So that will put us where we can go ahead and mark all the way up to the line of 30%, because 3,000 of 10,000 is 30%. So I just be glad to have any kind of progress. Yeah. So that's my progress for day number 35 of the 100-day challenge. So this is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Let me know in the comment section what savings challenge you're working on and your progress.